life away from the city, the peaceful European mountains of Germany. This is the new life. This is where you get acquainted. Never, ever get acquainted with the city life. If you live here, you gotta get acquainted with the new lifestyle. In the mountains, enjoying life. This is what you get acquainted with. New lifestyle, people. German Alps. That's what it's called. The place called in Germany. Feldberg. Schwarzwald. Feldberg. Schwarzwald translated to be Black Forest. That's what it's called, people. That's where I've been walking since I've ain't got nothing to do. Like you. Okay, there was some random dude. I think the song was from Coldplay. I need that shit up here. Quiet nature. Only sound of birds. And me hollering and explaining stuff. That's why. If you don't love the European life, then this ain't the place for you. But if you love green mountains, fresh air, then this is home to you, people. You gotta take my word and trust me on that. Promise you. This is it. Check this out. Mountain view. There's snow right there. See? Remains of the snow. This is the new life. والله الصراحة وايد ما شاء الله عليك. جبل ألمانية صراحة أقسم بالعظيم والله جديد يا أخي. والله لازم شباب. If you don't like this is not your life. If you want to start fresh and clean يعني, this is where you gotta be. If you love that, this will be your home. why I decided to go away from the city, take up a new life in the mountains, fresh air, clean. I haven't seen any litter or garbage since day one. Day damn one. All you see is grass, trees and snow. Amazing weather right now. In the morning of the breakfast I had to stay back in the room because it was drizzling and raining. But the more it stopped after lunch, I decided, fuck it, nothing to do. Take a hike, son, as you say. Nah. I decided to go walking and enjoy this. And this is the mountain roads before it was actually changed. Taking it back, walking on roads like these. That's how it is. I'll walk back. Exactly same place where I came from. This is it. This is how we do it. Because let me tell you, it is what it is. People. Got a few folks here and there walking around, but that don't bother me. Because it don't bother me neither. And on the mountain on the other side is my hotel. My home. This is the life I chose. What the hell? Huge ass bumblebee, yo. God damn. Alright guys. For those of you that are following me, drop a comment, drop a like, because this will be on YouTube as well. Not only FB and Insta, but YouTube as well. Go on my channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell that goes ding ding, and follow. And share this with your friends. Tell them about the nature. This is it. This is one of the reasons why I actually decided to go here, away from the city. Peaceful, it's quiet, fresh air in the mountains. Okay, and of course when winter time comes, I'm gonna be sloping left and right on these slopes. I mean, I'm gonna be skiing, or maybe even learn how to snowboard. In that fact, because skiing, let me tell you something about skiing. While you enjoy this view, me, I'm a professional. I know how to ski. I may drop and fall out of my skis, but that don't matter. Because I ain't never break no leg, no arms, no nothing. I always come out of it alive in one piece. The only thing I'll be doing is rolling around, laughing, having fun. At the end, doing angels in the snow. That's all I'll be doing. But I'm a pro for go for jumps too. You want to learn how to ski? Don't go to some indoor skiing places where it ain't worth it. Come to Europe, enjoy the fresh air, come skiing, come snowboarding, come, don't even go for indoor ice skating, people. Let me tell you, ice skating out here, the winter time on the frozen lakes outside in the nature. In Austria, I used to go for free on the lakes, skiing, ice skating. You ain't gotta pay none. It's all for free. You ain't gotta go for indoor. You're going outdoors. That's why you come here. Oh, check it. Still snow. Back in the snow. So I'll be falling right there. Or skin I'll be doing the angels up in them. This is the new life. You gotta enjoy it while you still can. Because like we say, life is very short. That's why we say YOLO. You only live once. So make your choices and decisions with extreme, I repeat, extreme caution, and think extremely carefully what life you want. You want city life or mountain life? Trust me. You want this? Start packing your shit and move your ass. Would have been here earlier. Nah, it don't matter. Because it's locked down either way. Oh shit. Look at this. reminds me of soccer. Back in the kids' days. Now when we had a house in Austria, we had a garden in winter. We used to be rolling snowman, putting branches as hands and using the damn fucking carrot for a damn nose. That's what we did. This is the real deal. And for this, you can exercise all day. You don't even need to go to a damn gym. Come out here hiking in the mountains. That's what you do. If you're walking longer, take a backpack, have yourself some healthy lunch, and about 20 liters of water. You might need a couple of liters of water. So it's all the way up there. Cable car lift. But I need that because I got myself 2 legs.